Did you know that math can be like a superpower? It helps us understand the world around us. It's like a secret code that unlocks amazing things. Math is full of surprises. Like, did you know there are an infinite number of numbers between 1 and 2? That's pretty cool, right? Math can be fun once you start seeing the patterns and connections. It's like solving a puzzle, and who doesn't love a good puzzle? Let's explore the world of math together and see how much fun it can be. Math isn't just something you learn in school. It's all around us, every single day. When you're baking a cake, you're using math to measure the ingredients. When you're playing video games, math helps create the graphics and the challenges. Building a treehouse? That's geometry in action. Math helps us design and build amazing things. See how math is part of our everyday lives? It's pretty amazing. Okay, so maybe math class isn't always a blast, but learning math can be. Try these tips to make math more exciting. Asterisk play math games. Games like Sudoku, Ken-Ken, and even card games use math skills and are a fun way to challenge yourself. Asterisk solve puzzles. Logic puzzles, crosswords, and jigsaw puzzles all use math concepts and help you think critically. Connect math to real life. Think about how you use math every day and find ways to make it relevant to your interests. Remember, learning should be fun. So find ways to make math enjoyable and you'll be surprised at how much you can learn. Think of math as a big mystery waiting to be solved. Be curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Did you know that some of the most famous people in history loved math? Albert Einstein, the genius who gave us the theory of relativity, was a mathematician. Even if math seems challenging at times, remember that everyone learns at their own pace. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and you'll start to see the magic of math unfold. So, go out there, be a math detective, and have fun exploring the amazing world of numbers.